Let's get straight to it. These three mistakes can literally cost you thousands when selling your home. Mistake one, overpricing. I get it. You want the most for your property, but setting the bar too high can actually drive right buyers away. They don't even click the listing. Price smart and you attract interest that creates competition. Mistake number two, trusting online valuations blindly. Now, don't get me wrong, online valuations are a great starting point, but they're just that, a start. They can't see your new kitchen, your garden upgrade, or that fresh extension. That's why it's worth following up with a proper in-person look. And mistake number three, not preparing the home properly before hitting the market. Amateur photos, cluttered rooms, poor descriptions, missing or inaccurate floor plans, buyers scroll right past. The fix, start with a valuation. Whether you begin online or you want someone to come out and take a look, it's free. And it's the first step to getting your home sold properly. Click the link below to find out more.